Everyone, I'm Meenal Vijay Pense, and let's see what the first week of January 2021, that is the 1st to the 7th of January 2021, has in store for the sun sign Sagittarius. So for the Sagittarians, this week is going to be a very happy-go-lucky week where in general things will be pretty smooth and slow and finely proceeding. Moving on to the space of work. Now this is a area where you need to be a little bit careful. So you will find that you've been entrusted with a lot of work, a lot of responsibilities. You have to do a lot of multitasking for the week, but then this is going to put you in a complete confusion. This is because you will be in a little bit of confusion as to understand as to which work is to be done first and which work is to be done second. Now everything is going to seem so important that you're going to feel a little bit flustered. In order to get through this entire week very smoothly flowing, at least on the work front, see to it that you have take a stock of all the different things to be done, chronologize them according to the priority and finish off the tasks one by one so that you are not flustered at the end of the week. And see to it that you don't get overwhelmed with the amount or the quantity of work that you are going to be given, because if you get overwhelmed you are going to get very physically drained and tired, and the week is going to be pretty long when it comes to your work and there's a lot of work to be done. So overwhelming is not going to help you. Rather, simply, logically and coolly tick off all the tasks one by one, and you will see to it that by the end of the week you have completed all the tasks without any much of confusion and crowding and that kind of an emotion. Moving on to the space of finances, if there are any talks of property division or inheritance related issues or those kind of matters in your family, it is advised for the Sagittarians to keep mum, not really go ahead and blurt out as to what is it that they think as to what is to be given to them, should be given to them or should be given to others. If you do that, you will realize that a lot of people whom you thought would be supportive are actually going to turn around completely against you. This would come as a very, very rude shock. So in order to see to it that this week flows very smoothly when it comes to finances and finance related matters falling under the property distribution area, see to it that you refrain and restrain from giving an opinion. Just watch and observe the proceedings. You will understand the entire situation, and after the end of the first week you can then give in your opinion. Moving on to the space of relationships, there is a chance that you have felt a little bit uncomfortable in your relationships for quite some time. Well, the first week of January 2021 is an excellent way of coming out with your ideas, coming out and verbalizing your pain or your anguish or your discomfort within a relationship. Because be rest assured that for this entire week of January 2021, you will not only receive a lot of understanding, love, but a lot of cooperation and very well-meaning advices as well when it comes to matters of relationship. So go ahead, pour your heart out and seek help, and be assured that it will be given to you for this week. Moving on to the areas of health. Health is absolutely fine for the Sagittarians, except for the fact that you are going to feel a little bit lazy. You would want to rather extend the New Year celebrations very well into the first week of January 2020. Now that is not good, because that is going to make you put on some extra kilos. So see to it that you just keep your body moving. Don't get sluggish, don't get lazy, and just keep your body moving, and it should do the trick. Your feedback and your comments and your responses about how you felt the first week of January 2021 for you is absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share your experiences in the comment box, and I shall be absolutely happy to read your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a very happy week ahead. Thank you.